Hello and welcome back everyone. It is your girl Cassandra,Olivia and I'm back with yet another video. Today's video is sponsored by a company called Curls Queen and I'm just showing you the packaging here and what comes inside of the packaging. They did send me a bundle of curly clip-ins and I'm just going to add the details in the description box and also on the screen. Feel free to screenshot or pause it. And these are how the clip-ins look fresh out of the packaging. So I picked this hair texture because it's close to my hair texture and my sister, and I know I was getting ready to get my hair braided, so I decided to bring her along. So everybody, welcome my sister Courtney. She is pregnant with my nephew, and yeah, I just wanted to have her come in and model for me instead of using Aaliyah or putting the wigs on myself. And I just wanted to introduce another member of my family to you guys. So I'm just doing like a light beat on Courtney really quick. I'll put the details in the description box also of what I'm using on her face, but I'm just going in with Maybelline Fit Me, a little bit of Juvia's Place concealer. I decided to do like the reverse makeup method, so I just did her foundation first and conceal her face, and then I went ahead and highlighted her. Then I did a little bit of eyeshadow, some lashes, and some gloss and brows. It sounds like a lot, but it's really not. So we're just sitting here geeking, and I'm just going ahead and making my sister over. And she is so beautiful. Shout out to you, Courtney. Thank you so much for letting me record you. I have her hair in its natural state because we are going to put the clip-ins in, and I just wanted to show you guys like her before and after. So I'm just doing her little light beat here, and then I will tune back in just a second. Before I forget, check out my girlfriend. Her lashes are bomb.com. Her website is highprofilehair.com, and I'll tag her down below as well. She has my absolute favorite lashes. Like, I legit just ordered, I believe, like 20 pairs of lashes from her, because she is awesome, super bomb, and she's local, so definitely want to support one of my boss babes. So Courtney's all done. Her hair's already been washed. She washed it before she came in, so what I opted to do was just part her hair and go ahead and just put the clips inside of her hair. And then once I'm done applying all of the clip-ins, I am going to saturate her hair with a little bit of leave-in and just a tiny bit of conditioner just to bring her curls back. So I'm just going to install the clip-ins and I'll come back as soon as I'm done. Okay, so we're pretty much at the end now, so I'm just going in with the really small clip-ins that have about one clip on them, and I'm just going to apply those in the front just to give her a little bit more fullness. And then I'm just going to part her hair and add a couple more just at the top just to give her like a more uniform look, but we're going for like a natural chic look. So I'm going to show you guys how they look when you first install them without any product, and then I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to finesse these with the conditioner and the leave-in. So these are the clip-ins, absolutely no product at all. You can tell the difference between her hair and the clip-ins. So now we're just gonna go in with the Miracle Leave-In Conditioner Spray, and I'm gonna saturate her hair with this completely and the clip-ins first, and then I'm gonna use my paddle brush to go ahead and just pull everything together, detangle the hair, and also kind of marry the two textures together. Once I'm done doing that, I will go in with the conditioner. I did use Fenola's conditioner. They sent me a PR kit, so shout out to you guys as well. And I just went in with probably like a glob. You know how we use conditioner in the shower, guys. And I just distributed that through her hair. And then I used the powder brush again just to make sure every curl was coated in the conditioner. Okay, so now I'm done finger detangling. Her conditioner's all in. I'm just going to add a little bit of edge control in her hair. And then I did set her under the dryer for about 10 minutes just to make the conditioner dry and to turn it transparent. Right now it's looking white and it's giving a white cast, and we don't want that. So this is the before, and you want to make sure also that you go in and cut any of the little loose ends. I was careful to make sure I wasn't cutting her hair, so that's why you see me pulling on it. If she could feel me pulling it, that means it's her hair. If she did not feel me pulling it, it means it wasn't her hair. So this long piece actually is her hair. So what I did was just tuck that in because we do not want to cut her real hair. So this is how it looks, and we are all done. She's already been conditioned and everything. Shout out to you, Courtney. Thank you so much for letting me slay you today, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.